the range of the function f of x is equal to root over x minus 1 by x minus 2. So let us name it as y. Y is equal to square root of x minus 1 by x minus 2. Now to find the range, first of all we have to express x in terms of y. So on squaring on both sides, we get y squared equal to x minus 1 by x minus 2. So on cross multiplication, we get y square times x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1, which implies y squared x minus 2y squared equal to x minus 1. Now, segregating all the x terms, we get y squared x minus x is equal to 2y squared minus 1.